Subscribe to Madhura's Recipe and hit the bell icon to receive updates of all my new recipes. Hello everyone, I am Madhura. I know it's been a long that I haven't posted any video on this channel, but as you can see here, I was busy working on these two products. So one is my book, that is recipe book known as Madhura's Recipe, and the other one is Madhura's Recipe Masala, that is spices. So we have come up with a recipe book which includes all authentic, traditional plus some fusion recipes, and masalas, these are typical traditional staple Maharashtrian masalas that's been widely used on everyday basis. So you can order this both on Amazon, it is available on Amazon, masala is specifically available on Amazon, and book is available at almost every bookstore across Maharashtra. So today we are making Mawa Gujiya, that is also known as Karanji. So this is basically a sweet which is stuffed using some milk solids, that is mawa or khoya, and it has that nice crispy and flaky coating. So to begin with, here in a plate I have 2 cups of Maida, that is all purpose flour. In that goes in 4th cup of ghee, that is clarified butter, and this needs to be at room temperature, and just a pinch of salt. Of course, in every sweet a little bit of salt always enhances its taste. Now just mix this in really good. We just looking forward to make this into a texture similar to breadcrumbs. And once this ghee is well combined with this dry flour or maida, it looks like this, just like breadcrumbs. Now if you take small portion from this maida and you just press it, it comes together like a dough. That's what we are looking for. Now let's go ahead and add in just a little bit of water and start to knead this into a stiff dough and not soft one. Alright, here this dough is ready, and as you can notice, it's a very stiff dough and not soft one, not even semi soft. We want it to be proper stiff and hard dough. Now let's put that into separate bowl, cover this up and allow it to rest for at least 15 to 20 minutes. So while our dough is resting, next we will work on our stuffing part. So in a pan I am adding 250 grams of khoya, that is mawa, and we need to dry roast it until it gets light golden color. Just need to make sure that you keep on stirring it continuously so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. So just stir it quickly. Alright, so over here I have dry roasted this khoya over medium heat for about 8 to 10 minutes now, and it has got this nice light golden color. Now let's remove this into separate bowl and let this cool down completely. Alright, so over here this khoya has been cooled down completely. Now in this I will add rest of the ingredients. So first goes in 1/4 cup of desiccated coconut. You can also use dry shredded coconut instead of this desiccated coconut. What it does, it helps to absorb little bit of moisture that is left in this roasted khoya. Then goes in a teaspoon of Chironji, also known as Charoli in Marathi, a tablespoon of chopped almonds, a tablespoon of chopped cashew nuts, cardamom powder 1/4 teaspoon, and some raisins. Now mix this everything together really well. Adding coconut is optional, you can just skip that out, but it adds that wonderful flavor in this stuffing. And next add in 1/2 cup of powdered sugar and again give it a mix. Alright, now this is well combined and here our mawa stuffing is ready. Now next we'll start to make gujiya out of it. So here this dough has been rested for about half an hour now. So we'll give this one more knead. Now take small portion of dough, smooth it out. Now let's roll this into small puri. Not too thick and too thin. Apply some water around the edges. Let's add in stuffing. Give it a press so that it sticks to the coating or cover of this Karanji or Gujiya. Fold this in half and press the edges like so. Now you can just keep this as it is, use fork to make some design, but what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna fold over the edges. So it's really easy. What you need to do, just lift one of the corner and fold and press. Once we fold and seal the edges properly, take a fork and just press it around the edges. It gives it nice impressions. It looks beautiful. Look at this. After that's done, keep this aside and make sure that you keep it covered so that this doesn't dry out. Now we are going to repeat the same process with the rest of our dough. Just smooth it out. Once that's done, roll this into small disc. Add the stuffing as much as more or less that you like. Some water around the edges. You can also use milk. Fold this over. Seal the edges properly. Now with the help of fork, again make some impressions so that it looks nice. Superb. Alright, so over here I have stuffed all the Mawa Gujiyas and sealed properly, and also oil is hot enough over medium heat. It doesn't have to be way too hot, otherwise these Gujiyas won't get fried properly. So we need to fry them on medium heat. So drop this Gujiya one by one in hot oil. And fry it until it gets nice deep golden color from both the sides. After about a minute of frying, give it a flip and continue to fry from other side. Alright, so here this Gujiyas has got this awesome deep golden color from both the sides. Let's take that out. Shake off all the excess oil. And transfer that into a plate lined up with tissue paper. Awesome. Similarly, I'm going to deep fry rest of the gujia. Alright, so all these Mawa Gujiyas look super delicious over here. So let me open up one for you. It gets that perfect flaky texture and it's nice, yummy, juicy and delicious inside. Look at that. That perfect, awesome texture. Lovely. Now you can store that into airtight container and it remains nice, crispy for 3 to 4 days. Since we have added fresh mawa in that, it won't last that longer. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.